Hi guys, Jenna here with another video, and in this video I will be making pancakes as it's Pancake Day. So right now I will be showing you all the ingredients. We have got flour, golden syrup, lemon, vanilla, eggs, and yeah, so I'll just take a second to put all the stuff in the bowl, so I'll just skip between the video. Bye! Okay guys, right now I've poured everything in there, just need to whisk it a bit, get all the lumps out. I might have to skip this because I don't know how long it'll take. And it's going everywhere.
Have you tried them yet?
I'll show you after how much of a mess I've made.
You don't have to take them after this?
Anyway, hurry. You think this is fun?
Loads of lumps.
I know.
That's not fun.
Okay, so I'm going to skip this bit. Anyway, I'll show you once we've kind of stopped whisking it. Okay guys, so I've done the mixture and it's a bit bumpy but it's a bit messy as well. So I am going to be taking this over to I don't know now. Where should I take this over to now?
The oven! Fry!
It don't go in the oven. Okay. Go
The fry!
frying pan. How much should I put in?
That was nice.
I think I need different ones to Lottie because if she can't have eggs.
She's not making any more tea. Let's just. Where's the oil, Jen? Did you get me the oil over?
The oil.
We're going to play Michelle. I don't know what one I'm having.
That's it, right.
You know.
Right, got the eggs? You go and take them
Oh,
on the
it's
table.
not even your soul. It's magic. You know.
Just get out of the pot.
Yes.
That's it. What you do, Jenna?
Okay, we're just going to take this over here. You know. Oh, it's not even Yeah. So one sec, we're just going to pour it into the pan.
Jenna, I'm not sure exactly how much because I'm not the best, but I will do my best for you.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. No.
No, we'll see first.
Okay, so I put the iPad there, then I'll show you in a minute.
That's just the trial and error one. Are you alright doing it by yourself?
Yeah.
Do that yourself by at home. This one might be a bit better. You might need to make that to cook, let that go.
Yeah.
Cook a bit more.
I think it's recording. Yeah, it is recording.
That's a bit better.
Just keep the company while she's doing it. So she's behind. I didn't even know you was there. So we're going to skip this and I will show you when I flip it. We just need one side to kind of cook a bit. So, hey guys,
So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
it kind
See ya.
of turned out wrong, but that doesn't matter. We'll be able to kind of eat it. Now if I can't flip this one. It's kind of broken. But I got a spatula and I'm not afraid to use it. I'm not. So, I think, let's just see if it's done. She's guys. Okay, I don't know what you just said in my iPad, but whatever you said, don't listen to it. I'm not afraid to use it.
Right, Jim.
So yeah guys, she's just doing her pancake stuff. Go off my iPad. You see these little jar maze?
I'm in my onesie, or
I'm in my jar maze.
I'm my Johnny.
Oh, and it's Auntie Laura.
Don't call it that.
That's my
Not
answer.
Johnny's or whatever. Call it
PJs.
PJ's. Oh yeah, what like you said.
And my name
Or
starts with a J,
J,
so
ready to put it on you?
You cannot
Yeah, I'm ready.
call it Johnny's or whatever.
Right, okay.
Johnny's.
Johnny's.
Okay,
That
so
is
now
just
juice
gay.
cat. Is syrup in yours?
Yes, please. I'm gonna put. Now this is my toppings that I'm gonna put.
Well, you could have done.
I'm going to put lemon juice in mine.
You actually got the lemon juice.
Can I
I think you don't catch a lie.
Oh! But my finger.
Yeah, you shouldn't have done that. Oh. Well, you've got to be careful.
Okay, lemon juice.
Oh, no.
Have you got sugar, Laura?
We're not
Have you got
yet.
sugar,
We've got
Laura?
it, 'cause I'm
Sorry,
doing that.
have you got sugar?
Yeah, caster sugar over there, which is better. And,
Really quiet, 'cause I'm recording.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, I'm now back and I have finished stirring up the mixture. Just fell on the floor.
So
Sorry, my hands
this
are
is my
away.
pancake that turned out wrong.
There we
Anyway,
go. So now we can
now
stir it
I will
over
be
to
eating
the,
it. Bye.
what's it